I'm Mr. Hanson. I'm the Head of Geography here at Cheshunt Hay Academy. Before I go through the structure of the A-Level Geography course, I'm going to direct you to the wider reading list that's available on the Watt Academy website. It's a brilliant idea to read around the subject and really get a deeper understanding of the topics that we cover at A-Level. The first thing to say about the A-Level is that it builds upon what you learn at GCSE for the majority. And that helps you really build a really good foundation for the topics that we teach. The course has 3 elements. You've got 2 exam papers at the end of the course, and you have an NEA, which is basically a coursework. The 2 exams will primarily be split into physical and human geography. For physical geography, we have 3 topics, same for human geography. And it is a 2.5-hour exam that tests the knowledge of those units. That 2.5-hour exam for both sides is worth 120 marks and 80% of your overall A-level. The NEA accounts for about 20%. Now the NEA can be based on anything that you want. It's an individual fieldwork investigation. And what that means is you will come up with a coursework title, and you will come up with some hypotheses to explore that title. For the vast majority of your A-level grade, the 80%, it's going to be split into 2, human and physical geography. For human geography, we have 3 topics. We have water and carbon cycles, and that helps you to discover the importance of water and carbon to life on Earth. It focuses on the major stores of water and carbon at or near the Earth's surface and the cyclical relationships associated with them. Then you move on to coasts, and that helps you to study the boundary between the land and the sea. It focuses on coastal zones, which are dynamic environments, which landscapes develop by the interaction of wind, waves, currents and sediment. And you'll study hazards. Now, hazards is the optional topic within that part of the course, and it is worth slightly more marks than the other 2 units. It's worth 48 marks rather than 36. And during that, you'll explore the origin and the nature of hazards and the various ways in which people respond to them. You'll be looking at a number of main hazards. You'll be looking at earthquakes, volcanoes, tropical storms, and wildfires. We then move on to the human section. For the human section, you'll be looking at globalization. And in that, you'll discern how the human world of trade and commerce is interconnected and its influence on the population. You'll learn about the role of TNCs. You'll have a look at how the economic, political and social changes associated with technology and other driving forces have been a key feature of the global economy and society in recent decades. You'll then move on to changing places, and you'll explore how and why places change over time. And you'll look at people's experience of them and how they are perceived. And finally, you'll look at urban environments. And in that, you'll look at how urban areas are structured and how we can make these urban areas more sustainable. Now, why study geography? Geography is widely considered quite a hard subject. And for that, you'll be rewarded with it being quite a nice subject for Russell Group universities. They really, really admire people that have taken geography. And why is that? It gives you so many transferable skills that you can use in many different job types, including being able to analyse data, including being able to look for sustainable solutions to complex problems. What kind of person do you need to be to study A-level geography? Well, first and foremost, what we want is for you to be determined, and we want you committed to the course. You do need to be able to do quite a lot of maths. There's a lot of maths associated in geography, and you do need a good written style. But most importantly, it's your drive and determination that is the most important.